Welcome to Lichtsinn RV here in Forest City, Iowa, the home of Winnebago Industries. I'm Ron Lichtsinn, and I want to thank you for visiting our dealership, the nation's closest dealer to the Winnebago Factory here in Forest City, Iowa. For over 40 years, we've had the opportunity to help thousands of guests in their RV lifestyle with their parts, service, and sales needs. Since that time, we've added over 30 jobs to the local community here in Forest City, Iowa, the community in which we live and have invested in all new facilities. We're located only 1 mile north of the Winnebago Factory here in Forest City, Iowa, which provides many benefits to you, our guests. Having no delivery miles on your RV allows you to break in your new investment in accordance with the way the chassis manufacturer and Winnebago Industries want you to break in that new investment, not necessarily in the way a delivery driver may and do tow their own personal vehicle out to your local dealer. You're making an investment, and it should be treated that way. Being right down the road from Winnebago allows us to provide upfront, no-hassle pricing to you, our guests, with cost advantages over other RV dealers. Winnebago and Winnebago Touring Coach are the only specialized lines we offer. We back this with unprecedented product knowledge on your RV from the people here in Forest City who built the motorhome that you own. Quite frankly, we know your RV before and after the sale. We are proud to be a family-owned and operated business for over 40 years and are the largest full-line Winnebago and Winnebago Touring Coach dealership in North America, featuring over 100 RVs in stock, including full certified pre-owned support on late model RVs. Our guests speak highly of our flawless indoor delivery experience, in which we provide at no charge a full educational orientation for us to show you what to do, what not to do, and covering maintenance and warranty. We have state-of-the-art hookups on site and provide all of our guests filtered soft water, free Wi-Fi, and a spot to stay after their delivery and during any service visit, all at no charge. While you are here, shop our RV parts store or bring in your tablet or laptop and relax in our technology-driven guest lounge. Here you can look out onto our state-of-the-art production level studio where we take all of our inventory photos and videos for our website, as well as do live, high-definition interactive presentations with our guests throughout the world. Or take in a full delivery experience with an award-winning Winnebago Industries factory tour. Buying out of your home state from Lichtsinn RV, the nation's closest dealer to Winnebago Industries, doesn't mean buying without nationwide service. Every dealer is required in their franchise agreement from Winnebago Industries to service new RVs, and we have the largest parts team in the U.S. for support down the road, and many of our pre-owned RVs are certified pre-owned RVs, in which we back this RV with a service plan good at any dealer in the U.S. or Canada. Our factory direct experience is backed by awards of outstanding guest service. We have been a consistent Flying W Dealer Excellence Award winner each year since its inception in 1994. And our guests have listened. We are the largest motorhome dealer in the state of Iowa, and we sell and service motorhomes throughout North America. Purchase and service your new Winnebago from Lichtsinn RV, the nation's closest dealer to Winnebago Industries here in Forest City, Iowa. We look forward to providing you the best of class experience that our guests have come to expect from Lichtsinn RV.